Reverse osmosis membrane replacement. Experience what water should taste like with the Express Water Reverse Osmosis Water Filtration System, reducing up to 99.99% impurities. RO membrane replacement. Each Express Water Replacement RO membrane is specially designed for quick and easy replacement. Get the cleanest water and the best value in your reverse osmosis water filter. Reverse osmosis membrane. High-density graded RO membrane ensures even the smallest of impurities from your drinking water, including heavy metals, TDS, arsenic, fluoride, and more. Replacement RO membrane. Express water RO membranes are made with the highest quality materials for long-lasting filtration and value. On-demand support. Support from experts who can answer any of your questions about your replacement reverse osmosis membranes. Top reviews from the United States. Solid 6 months of pure water. This is a reliable, inexpensive filter, but here's something to save frustration with the whole system if you don't get water flow. For a while I couldn't figure out why the express water spigot flowed very little and the tank wouldn't fill with water. Process of elimination brought me to the air valve at the bottom of the tank. Could there be so much pressure that it prevented water from filling the tank? I bled the air out and immediately the tank began to fill, and later, spigot water flow increased but was suboptimal. Looking at an online manual for the tank, I read that you should not mess with the air pressure, but nothing about an overpressurized tank. It said the pressure should be 7 to 10 psi. Judging from the air I released, the tank had to be at 30 plus psi. I used an air pump to pressurize the tank to the correct psi and spigot water flow looked just like in the videos. Mission accomplished.